Fam, you press play, and that decision, it just set the tone for your whole day. Because most people skip this part. They sit, they scroll, they wonder why their body feels weak by noon. But not you. Right now, your hips might feel tight, your spine heavy, your core belly online. But in the next 5 minutes, we're going to wake up your foundation, your power center. One move in this flow will flip a switch you didn't even know was off. Let's hit the mat. Drop down into a deep squat. Elbows push gently into the inside of your knees. Rock side to side, then lift the hips just slightly, then lower again. This is more than just a stretch. It's a primal unlock for your hips and lower back. We were made to move like this, but sitting all day has stolen it from us. I promise this one move will improve how you sit, stand, walk, and even breathe. Beginners use a block or pillow under your heels. Advanced stretches add a gentle pulse to reach one arm overhead. Here's a surprising fact. This position can increase pelvic floor support and digestion. Hold it, rock side to side. 5 more seconds. Are your hips whispering to you yet? That's a good sign. They're waking up. That just opened the door. Now let's light up the glutes. Come on to all fours. Keep your right knee bent and lift out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. Slow and controlled. This move targets muscles that silently hold your entire pelvis in place. When they are asleep, pain creeps in. I promise, if you want better posture, balance, and power, this is where you start. Beginners, keep your movements small. Advanced stretches, add a small pulse at the top. Your glute medius is the unsung hero of joint stability. Lift, hold, and 5 more reps. Feel the burn yet? If not, squeeze a little hard at the top. Switch sides, same movement, new awareness. Most people don't realize how different their two hips are. This side might surprise you. Pay attention. Beginners go slow and smooth. Advanced stretches, pulse and pause at the peak. Up and squeeze. 5 more seconds. Can you keep the rest of your body still while this leg moves? That's control. That just activated your side glutes. Now let's strengthen your base. Lay on your back, knees bent, feet hip width apart. Press through your heels and lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower with control. If you've been sitting all week, your glutes have likely forgotten how to fire. This reminds them. I promise this move will protect your back, stabilize your core, and give you more drive in every step you take today. Beginners use arms down by your sides for balance. Advanced stretches, try single leg lifts or slow the tempo. Here's a fun fact. Glute bridges also help relieve lower back tightness by activating the opposite muscles. Squeeze and hold. Now give me 5 more slow, controlled reps. Can you feel your core join the party? That's what we want. That just built your power base. Now let's fire up your lower abs. Stay on your back, a leg straight out. Lift one leg slowly to 90 degrees while keeping the other grounded. Switch, focus on your breath. This is where most people's form breaks down. But not you. You're building real stability now. I promise if you stay consistent here, your lower abs will feel tighter and more controlled in everything you do. Beginners, bend the knee slightly. Advanced stretches keep both legs straight and hover the bottom leg just above the floor. This move lights up your transverse abdominis, the deepest layer of core strength. 5 more lifts. Go slow. Can you keep your lower back down? That's a challenge. That just sculpted your center. Now let's finish with a deep hip opener. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, drop your back knee and gently push your hips forward. You've activated your muscles. Now let's stretch the tension out so they stay functional all day. I promise this will ease that lower back tightness you've been feeling all week. Beginners, hands on thigh for support. Advanced stretches, reach both arms overhead and deepen the stretch. Sink a little deeper. 5 more seconds. Do you feel the pull in your front hip? That's where the magic happens. Switch sides. This is your final stretch. Finish strong. Tight hip flexors are often the real reason behind poor posture, so breathe into it. 5 more seconds. Can you relax your jaw and shoulders as your hips open? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shift to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.